I think you need your own shovel.
Yeah.
That's what you need. And now we can shovel. Come on, over here. Right here. Good boy.
Yeah.
Ready? Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah. What happened?
Forward.
Yeah, we gotta push it up there.
Oh.
Okay, then we push it up and over.
Well,
Yeah, up and over. There you go. Whoa, good boy. Very good. Oh, you throw the snow at Daddy? Doing?
yeah.
You taking the snow off your shoes?
Well.
Do it with your other shoe.
Yeah.
Good boy. You're such a good boy.
Yeah. Yeah. Daddy.
You like that?
Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah. Do 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 do. You eating the grapes?